In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refund money on PayPal. We're going to use PayPal's own help center so you get the most accurate, up-to-date guidance straight from the source. This is a quick way to understand refund options, whether you're a buyer looking to get money back or you simply want to learn how refunds work on the platform. Start on your PayPal homepage. After you sign in and land on your account summary, look for the help link. You'll usually find it at the top or bottom of the page. Click Help to open PayPal's support hub. This area is where PayPal maintains all their official articles, so it's the best place to confirm policies, eligibility, and timelines. On the help page, click into the search field labeled Search Questions, Keywords, or Topics. On mobile, you may need to scroll a bit to see it. This search box is your shortcut to the exact policy you're looking for, and it can save a lot of time compared to browsing categories. Type the word refund into the search field. You'll see suggested results appear as you type. Using a simple direct keyword like refund usually brings up the most relevant articles quickly. If you're on a regional site, wording may vary slightly, but refund is universal enough to surface the right content. From the results, click How do I get a refund? This is the primary article that explains the process. Sometimes you'll see a suggested topic or a short preview first. Select How do I get a refund to navigate to the full guidance. If you're taken to a results page or a topic hub, click How do I get a refund again to open the complete article. This ensures you're reading the detailed version, which typically covers when refunds are possible, how they're issued, expected timeframes, and what to do based on how the original payment was made. Pay close attention to notes about the payment type and region because refund rules can differ depending on whether it was a purchase from a business, a personal payment, or a pending transaction. As you review the article, look for sections that explain where the refunded money goes, how long it might take to appear in your balance or card, and any conditions that apply if the payment hasn't been completed yet. The Help Center content is regularly updated, so it's more reliable than third-party summaries. Also, always confirm you're on the official PayPal site before entering any information. That's it. By using the help link, searching refund, and opening How do I get a refund, you'll have the official steps and timelines you need to move forward with confidence.